Hi, I'm Mihir from Viaterra, and in this episode of Gear Matters, we are taking a quick look at some of the key differences between a full gauntlet riding glove and a short cuff riding glove to help you decide which one might be the better suited one for you. The simple and easy answer is that a high quality purpose built full gauntlet riding glove like the Viaterra Grid will always be more protective than any shorter cuffed counterpart. While several of the protective features over the hand, at the knuckle, palms and fingers can be similar between full gauntlet and short cuff gloves, the area where the real difference lies is towards the wrist and the forearm. The leather cuff on a full gauntlet glove extends over the wrist and onto the forearm, providing an extended area of abrasion protection. The carbon fiber impact protector on a glove like the Grid or super fabric on Viaterra's Kruger provide an additional impact and slide protection over the wrist. This type of full gauntlet riding glove also has a robust dual closure system, that is, using two straps instead of a single closure system that is seen on shorter cuffed gloves. The combination of a smaller adjustable strap near the wrist and a larger one at the cuff helps secure the glove in a better way. A full gauntlet glove also overlaps the sleeve of your riding jacket. This prevents wind from entering through the jacket, also drastically reducing the likelihood of any direct abrasion injury at the area between the glove and the jacket. Now this begs the question, if a full gauntlet riding glove is so good at so many things, why would anyone use shorter cuffed riding gloves? The answer to that is based more on practicality and personal preference. Many of the defining features of a full gauntlet glove can also be limiting factors in certain scenarios. For example, riding off-road can be a very dynamic activity, also requiring constant and precise adjustments to your clutch and brake levers. In this scenario, having a light glove that allows more mobility and feedback is better suited than a more bulky and full gauntlet option. Similarly, in an urban riding scenario where you are riding at slower speeds and also have a frequent need to remove and wear your gloves multiple times, a shorter cuffed glove might be the right choice, striking a far better balance between essential protection and utility. Options like the Viaterra Fender, Hold Short Pro or the Shifter offer a balance between protection and comfort to cater to different preferences and use cases. And while on the subject of personal preference, there are also some people who simply find full gauntlet riding gloves like these uncomfortable to use, which is why a glove like the Viaterra Shifter offers the same protective features at the knuckle, palm and fingers as the full gauntlet Viaterra Grid, but with a shorter cuff. To summarize this simplistically, a good full gauntlet riding glove is an easy default option and will have all the important bases covered from a protection perspective. But shorter cuff riding gloves might actually be better and the more practical option in specific situations like urban riding, off-road, as well as trail use, as well as those who have a strong and specific personal preference. What type of riding glove do you use? Are you team full gauntlet or team short cuff? Comment below and let us know. If you'd like to know more about the wide range of gloves made by Viaterra, including any of those mentioned in this video, you will find links to all of them in the description below. Thanks for watching.